So here's a sad recent story that I'm working on. I had somebody contact me to get their estate plan in place. Yahoo! Well, I start going through it and I'm looking at it and I start asking questions for them about, hey, what do you want with this? What do you want with that? I'm getting their guidance on it. And come to find out that his wife has late stage dementia and has zero capacity. There is no way that she could sign for a car or even really know who she is, frankly. And the reason why I know that was I was talking with him and I could hear her in the background. And I asked the kind of questions of, do you think your wife has capacity? Would she be able to sign a contract? Does she even know who she is? And he said, oh, absolutely not. And I said, well, that's great. You now have to get guardianship of your own wife to be able to move forward with transferring assets because she no longer has that capacity to do so. And you don't have the capacity to do that for her because you don't have that legal authority. So now this Dan is having to go through the court process, going through that guardianship process, which is difficult and oftentimes really rough to get guardianship of his own wife to be able to then move forward with getting their estate plan in place and getting their assets ready for when they both pass away. So that's kind of a rough story about making sure that you get your stuff in place ahead of time before it's too late. And if you have questions on that, let me know. And of course, when you think of death, think of me.